Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can change the image format to PNG. So as we know, the PNG format is an image format without a background. So in the CapCut apps you can do that with a new feature. So how to you can see on the you can see at the top all the picture and the CapCut. This is new picture, so you can select the remove background and then select your image that you want to make PNG. Right, it's automatically just click export. You can click export. So as you can see, this is the PNG format, which is without the background. So just click done and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.